everyone, this is Muda and you are watching Tech Surge, and in this video I will unbox and review a intelligent UV sterilizer machine from MTD. So before we get started, if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe us and press the bell notification icon to get notified every time I post a new video. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So this is the box of the multifunctional sterilizer machine. Now let's unbox this and see what we get inside it. So inside the box we have another box and a micro USB to USB cable. So in this box we have our sterilizer machine along with the instruction manual. So this is all that we get in this package. Now let us come to our sterilizer box. Now on the center of the box we have this MTD branding. On the front we have the power on off button along with the LED indicators. On the right side we have this vent for charging cable so that we can charge our device while being sterilized. Now at the back side we have a USB and a micro USB port. At the bottom of the box it has these grips so that it can hold the surface. Also it has some technical specifications mentioned along with a speaker grill. Now let us talk about the design and build quality of the product. So it has a matte white finish on the outside, while inside the box it has a glossy finish. It looks very clean and minimal. So it is made of this hard ABS plastic and feels very sturdy and premium. Overall the design and build quality is great. Now let's see how you can use this. So first of all, connect the USB cable with the box. Now power it up. You can also use a power bank or a PC or laptop to power it. Now as you can see, the voice command is activated, which tells you what you can sterilize with this box. Now open the lid and place all the stuffs you want to sterilize. Now you can sterilize anything with this box, especially those which are difficult to sanitize with liquid sanitizers like smartphones, watches, wallets, paper money, masks, or anything which fits inside it. Now close the lid and press this button. Now you have to wait for 5 minutes and after that all the items will be disinfected. Now how does this work? So it uses ultraviolet or UV light which is attached on both the sides of the box to damage the cell structure and RNA of the bacteria and viruses, and it has a very high efficiency with a kill rate of 99.9% on bacteria and viruses. Also it is certified by FCC, CE, ROHS and SGS labs, so definitely it is very safe and secure to use. Also if we talk about some extra features, so it will automatically turn off the light if you try to open the lid while sterilizing something, as UV light is harmful for humans. But still I will not recommend you to do this as it may harm you or the device. Now if we talk about its price, so currently it is available for 2600 rupees on Amazon. Now should you buy this or not? So definitely it is a very useful product during this pandemic situation, as it helps you disinfect all those items which you cannot sanitize with liquid sanitizers like money and masks. Also these are something which carry a high chance of transmitting the virus. So definitely you can consider this. Comparing it with other sterilizers available online, it offers various additional features like it can be operated with a power bank. It has a good design and build quality. It has automated voice commands. Also there are a few things which could have been improved, like the size of the box can be bigger so that we can place more items in it. Also instead of a micro USB port it should have a Type-C port, and the price could be a bit lesser. So if you want to buy this, you can check out the link given in the description section. So that's it in the video. If you enjoyed the video or if you found this helpful, then do give this video a like, share it with your friends, and if you have any queries, do comment it down below. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.